Rocket Pat here. All right, guys, it's another hot rocket day in the jungle. And I made a video about sending a square peg down a round hole. And there were some questions about that whole operation, so I figured I'd make a little video here and update y'all on what the hell am I having to put a square hole in a round peg. So here's what the deal is. What you're looking at right there is a Bargman, I think that's how it said, Bargman L300 camper trailer latch assembly. Well, this one happens to belong to that trailer right there. On the trailer we just bought for my buddy to crash in, this handle is broke off. Now, I don't want to give my handle away because I've come to find that these are pretty much unattainable. So the whole purpose of the sending the square peg down a round hole was because I needed to make a square hole. So I took the old handle off the latch assembly and I went over to my lathe and just took a chunk of all thread that I had and spun this out on it. Pretty close facsimile of what I had to begin with, but it takes a 8mm or 5/16 square shank in it in order to operate it. So that is the reason why I sank a square hole into that piece of steel. Now, what kind of tool is this? This is a square broach. Basically, that's what it is. It's a square broach. Let me open it up and I'll show you what it does. I mean, you've seen what it does. But it starts out small and it gradually builds its way up until it gets to the size that you need it to be. Bubba, Canadian Bubba, made a comment that it's the poor man's broach. Mr. Bubba, I'm going to tell you right now that there's nothing poor about this tool. That square hole right there cost me $162 and some odd cents to put that one square hole in that deal. I wouldn't call that poor in any way, form, or fashion. I don't know how else you'd make that hole, but that's what needs to go down it, and y'all saw it go down. So, nice brooch, used it one time, probably won't ever have another use for it. So from this point, I just took a piece of flat steel, and I'm gonna weld that to that right there, and bango bango, we got ourselves a new door handle for the old trailer over there. All right, guys, well, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. And my job today is I got to go take the door off of that, and we're going to rebuild that door. Check out the next video.